Give it up for DJ Easy Beats, ladies and gentlemen.
That's what it is.
Yeah, steady. Yeah, harder. Now welcome to Top Night Show. You see, as our Easy Beats, our DJ is sweet and, you know, it's color blending today.
Color.
Yellow hair, yellow t-shirt, blue color, blue design on the t-shirt. Check your name for the turntable. Turntable plus, no, the computer, the laptop.
I think
see the laptop. There's yellow and there's red and there's white. So it's a color blocking something. Wow, the days of color blocking, man. Those sides are past, so we don't see things. So in this
wardrobe change.
Color blocking things. Una welcome Top Show. It's gonna be a sweat day. It's a Monday. Una we don't finish. We see that rain went for yesterday.
My dear.
That rain for don't rain reach Medugri.
Is it for well?
That rain
as in for
well.
don't
rain reach Medugri. And the number of people will go get Balians today. Oh, hey, hey! I can't think I yesterday. I said, Easy, but you know, say, get some people where normally they like sit down for house on weekend. You find somewhere to go, go visit family, go to find something to do with your time. But when you get that rain, that fall, a whole lockdown. Who can't take it? You cannot go anywhere because you come out of your house, you see, you know, a puddle of water. And maybe you and your madam know they talk, or madam and you know they talk.
I can't think.
And madam know say, you like to, you know, when rain they fall.
Like to mingle.
So, then you know say that they quarrel. Another time you go meet and say, Alpha, have you seen my power bank here? I said, no.
Power bank.
Continue to press phone. You go say, and got up, check behind. Why are you safe wearing 90 since morning? Go inside and change.
Don't break now.
Hey, I say the number of people who gave a letter yesterday. Watch and see. We will communicate with the Ministry of Health. I used to find out one or two things, to find out this data and the statistics. Because that yesterday rain. But at the same time, we know say as that rain fall, people. Now then you go know the real face of your house, the real face of your street. All this way they say, I want to live on the highland. Now yesterday when I know the real meaning of highland, go and look for the definition of highland inside Google. Who asked K-Solo?
There you go, no.
Some people where we know, they live inside Lucky Phase 1. My sister.
If you say
if you see the water,
you're not in this guy.
Now that time they look pretty. You're mushing them. It's all they look very nice and sweet from far. My brother, when you define house, go and look for house when rain they follow. If you go in the drying season, that will not be the real face of the house. We go market and come back. When we came back from the market, we are not buying our neighbor's salt. Oh. Be careful of who you buy things from these days. They say support your own, support your own, support your own. With the before surgery on top, I don't know. I don't get it. It's been so now about days in surgery. So if young man, why are you turning that thing like that?
That part this week.
That part. Welcome to Top Night Show. I think you're understanding me now. When I feel free, send us tweet message at W Night Show. Our regular people don't send message already. Not be only us feel that rain. Great Mickey on top Twitter say, "Una good evening. I beg the way this rain they fall, I'm not understanding. I beg anyone does anybody have Noah's number just in case?
Just in case.
Just in case. He said, "Una good evening. That rain show Lekki 1. It show Lekki 1 real face.
Yes.
This one Magdalene. It show Lekki 1 real face.
Yes.
He say if you define house, no go Lekki Phase 1. Go find house. Una welcome to our Top Night Show. Okay, so our guest today, na person we don't come our show last. If I don't tell came on that time, make it just cost something a little bit. Last year when he come, and now to show this progression. Anybody wake on this temple of night show and go by, your life can never ever be the same. It has to be an upward movement, upwardly mobile, a projectile that is moving forward, futuristic. Oh no, a paradigm shift. All the English you can find, that is it. Handsome ransom there inside studio, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, they are.
Now that song, now they make Easy Beat, come they do like saying they perform surgery on top of the song. I never ever see Easy Beat do that kind of thing. Easy Beat say that part. Which part? Who are playing again? Which part? Not do surgery, just play.
No so. My
brother, nothing happened without money, oh, nothing happened. I don't know how money is called in your language. No love without money. Ukobumbado Timaya and Flavor sing. He say,
when money no day.
My brother, give me 5. Everything fall apart. When money no day. Nothing happened without money. Even Pastor Yang sit down and say, even love, you know, sometimes, you know.
Most times,
so I don't be like I'm the bad person. Sometimes, you know, if a little bit of money is go back, it's like putting periwinkle. Why is it? Ransom is inside the studio. It's always a pleasure. You know, say last year, feel like now last year you come show.
Yeah,
last year in come show. That time we they talk local boy when we they see all those Ishewu and
John.
See Anna. He said the video, look at boy. What do you want to say inside that video?
To draw their mind.
Hey, okay, we have the video now, and then we have the video of so you know that it's a paradigm shift, a progression movement, futuristic, a movement to permanent side, everything positive, everything going forward, and nothing going backward. That's how it will be in your life. So from now, when you make yourself present at the table of the night show, for the all is well. It's a gradual movement to the permanent side. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where to be. So having said that, come back and we can speak English. So, make we show you when Ransom come here, that time, na local boy, that time we think say, oh my God, this song pieces. Now, then we now show you when they come back. Paradigm shift, something futuristic, everything is moving to permanent sides. Local boy, now one girl, we see, hey, this time. It's be help me tell you how many girls they there.
Count like 6.
Hey. Even Easy Beat count. You see, Anna, you can even our K-Mos, so everybody help us count. The one that are highly inflammable something. The ones who get scalamabush and la sabi reduce, you know, in proportions. Everything, we see it there. My brother, no, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Please, people, help us. So, if you look that video, you want to turn your mouth inside that video, our phone line, don't they open? Please call you. All our Igbo brothers, all his village people. You can begin to calling him now. If you call you from, where you from?
Abia State.
Abia State, everybody. Call from Aba, call from even on Isha, Enugu, begin they call. And then send us tweet message at W9 if you want us Ransom any question and all that. Abe, help us. This thing where you just they call Ogbole, how you sit down and think I been money where you don't get that time. You can't say, It's all about the money, yeah. We have to sing something about money. Yeah. How it happen? How waiting bring inspiration come?
Ogbole in my language means how much money. Like how much money is it worth?
So in my language, what he's saying is in my language. In your language, what is it? Everybody in your language. So is that kind of something? So, how much is it?
How much is it? Yeah, the song is basically talking about money. Money. Like you get one place where you talk. Like story don't full basket. Now what I want to take pay my children's school fees.
How much? Whoa. Money. So how this thing takes that? Now, something where you see, you know, say like local boy, you know, you go somewhere.
Yes.
The thing you just observe people, they do things.
They do things, yeah.
Now in the story, can't they form for your head. Yeah. This one, now the same thing.
This one actually, I just don't wonder. See, I guys do something different. Get one song, one Rihanna song, what I like well. The song they play for my head. I come say, okay, say this song. You know, you get the kind of song, as a creative person, you get the kind of song where you go here, it go make you want do something different,
yes.
you know. I just hear the song, I just dey pass, hear the song. I on radio, hear the song. I go for internet, see people they talk about the song for Instagram, and I just say this song first. Make I just listen to it.
Make we see
Say
when you
they
go carry
don't
me
too
go.
hype this jam. Make I just hear this jam. I heard the jam, I just played the song once, and the song was just stuck in my head. Anywhere I go, the song they play for my head. Anywhere I go, the song they play for my head.
Let's say I know the song.
So I come say one day, we did studio, I just did studio with my producer, Kizzy Clef. I said, tell him, bro, so we get one song where they play for my head since. That Rihanna song.
We know it, don't worry.
You know that song?
It
Because
catch
if
very
you,
well.
if you hear the
My
jam,
brother, we know it.
So I come say, this song don't too play for my head. I tell the guy, okay, make we do cover of that song. As we begin, make you do the cover of the song. Ogbonge come they sing for my head. Tell him, say, you what thing they sing for my head? And we just do it, and the guy became more creative on the beats, and we became more creative on the song. The song just came out. I just say, okay, since I don't get any content, make I just release this one online. I just release them online. I release them that day in the morning. Before evening, I begin to get tweets, like tweet mentions from East. People they talk, oh, this song they scatter our head.
Spencer from Bible. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Katim, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Baba, good evening, Spencer.
Ransom, good evening.
Hey, good evening, my brother.
Yes, I want to appreciate your effort. I like your song, but in real lesson, I appreciate the face of your song. The first song past the second one that you are singing.
Okay.
But I really enjoyed this show. If I thought that it could...
My brother said, bring it down now. I better come, okay, say word or two don't feel. That's it now.
Katim is andong very seriously.
My brother, if you want for the way by me, in was all about mong.
In fact, I want to appreciate the young man. Well, I like the first song past the second one though.
Because of the...
because of the show. Now, if you listen, Ransom, I want to appreciate you. I will praise your video. I like your video. Keep it up. I want to see you the next level. Me being so spontaneous than what I'm saying now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Spencer.
Thank you.
Now the part of the tweet mentions where you get, you say, I better continue. No, but say before evening.
Before I know what's in there happen, radio stations don't begin the plan. One of my radio friends for East call me, tell me, say, Ransom, I beg, say, if I don't take this song serious, make I take them serious.
Is it God they give you advice?
Say people they call them, they request for the song that day, you know.
And maybe apart from the rhythm, maybe not the thing.
Now because of waiting and talk for the song.
I know that you talk because nowadays, we like say language. When you sing song for language, now they catch past these days.
Yeah. And sometimes when you do something differently, when you just say, make I just do this thing the way I feel.
You know, somebody like you, now those things where you know it takes serious, where you supposed now those things they sabi define you. Hello from VI Uche.
Yeah, Uche, good evening.
Evening.
The guy with the talk, I just like him paro, but waiting his talk, he say from Abia State. He's from Abia State.
My brother, I'm from Ozitem.
Hello?
I'm from Ozitem.
Ozitem, okay, my brother. Just keep it up. I just like the paro, you understand?
Oh, thank you very much.
From Abia State, trying to show his talent. I believe by special grace of God, go blow like CY, go so blow like my brother, Fino.
Oh,
but
thank you.
No, they too show yourself. No, they too do they just relax yourself. God, they yourself. Relax, you go make up.
Oh, thank you very much.
Clean, you understand?
But my brother, our business now showbiz, which means show yourself business.
Show yourself, but you know you go show yourself, so it go make sense. Maybe people they like
they know you from somewhere.
Thank you very much. Thank you for calling.
Joy, hello.
Hello. Good evening, ma.
Evening,
How about dinner?
Body there inside cloth.
I can see how I see you go. I see your swag.
Thank you so much. I'm going to run someday.
I have my big bros. What's up now?
Are they fine? Wow. Thank you very much. Yeah.
How about dinner? Family?
Body sharp. Family day house.
Well, I see your music. Go. I see that.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you. Greet your yard people. Tell us all of us here, they greet them. It's okay. Yeah. Hey. You sure say you don't know Uche from somewhere?
I don't know.
Ah. When people they like to see you, they give you advice. Now so, they give her advice for radio. They give her advice, don't they? Hey! Oh. When you don't reach time where you yourself go, they advise yourself. Chai.
What you know?
When so this video now, where you shoot now? How many days it take you shoot this video?
Now 1 day. Now 1 day.
1 day. From what time to what time?
Like
night to morning or morning to night?
No, from we start about around that kind 12. Can't end around 12 midnight. We started like
12 for afternoon.
12 for afternoon to 12 midnight.
Okay.
Is it long?
Yeah, like 12 hours now.
Okay, will they come
12
back? Okay, from Lagos. So.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a big fan. My name is Tobichiku, calling from Lagos State.
My brother, I don't want to, but I think say na him. I can't want to answer that is twice. Yes, Tobe, go on. It's listening to you.
I'm a big fan. I went to one of your shows at Oka one time like that. I feel your vibes.
Oh, my man. Okay.
I schooled at Oka.
Oh, I appreciate that.
I'm a big fan. I really love your work, and I want you to do more.
On day one,
Show off, maybe one music in 10 years. 10. Give us something.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. Jesus
Hey, this you are monitoring spirits in a good way. Hey, well, Thomas says don't want music in 10 years. Who tell you say ransom can only release one music in 10 years? Yeah, me. I don't know who you are mentioning in this kind of something that you say. We'll go small break. When they come back just now, when we come back, we'll go continue that talk of to shoot video and things. So they come back just now. This song, it can't be like, it won't be our anthem for it. It's sweet for ear. I don't know if it's sweet in your ear, but to us here, it's sweet in our ear. Now, welcome back on Top Show. Ransom CD here. We go back to that video talk, but the fact say you put reminisce for this song. Why reminisce? No other artist wait for your mind and say, okay, if I try, but why reminisce?
Reminisce. You know, say...
It's your main G.
I believe, say, before you do any collaboration with someone, it has to be person where you they feel naturally, like person where you don't they like.
Yes.
I don't they like reminisce from way back during the days of That Green. That you get one song where they do for That Green that time. That's
that song go.
Which other song?
Where Shame and Reminisce on my own.
Okay, and the Bye-Bye song.
That tribute song. When Reminisce came on, I was like,
this guy.
Who's this guy?
Hi. Raw Thailand.
This guy dope. I don't hear what's in the talk, but I just feel him. Since that day, I became the guy's fan. I've been fan.
But I don't need to know what's in the talk.
I've been better fan. From there, they follow in songs. They feel him. From Too Much.
Too much.
They follow all in songs. They follow all in songs.
So when you ask her making him do this song,
yeah, when I first met him at one event we didn't do for Ireland, one of the TV stations. So I meet him, I come greet him, I say, hey, Baba, be your fan. He was like, Ransom, hey, I know you now.
I just you go to the trip, say, I know you can me. You just say, me. Hold on. David, hello? David?
Yeah.
It's David, oh. You just say your compound. What I say no there?
TV too loud.
Go off your TV now, no quarrel.
Sorry, I don't slow the volume.
You are a good somebody.
How you doing, my
heaven.
sister?
See me here, we just there.
Baba there.
Yeah, David. Woo! Ayereka. you know, in this kind of ecom background, I say, oh, blow me every time. I buy a tank this one, tongue order now. So I'm mamba now. For the one mamba. About here.
David, don't find trouble.
David, I go, okay. David, come back. David.
David, don't find trouble.
Come back here. David. So reminisce, you meet reminisce.
So he was like, I know that song where you and Negaro do some time ago.
Imagine.
Yes, he come tell me, I felt so, I felt so honored. I was like, okay, this is the first celebrity guy I'm meeting.
We no get
any time to form. He's just real and humble to the core. We just talk about many things. Before I go, we exchange our contact. I was like, okay, see, I go like work with him. Then I never even did
sing this song. Can you imagine?
But me, I know say I must do song with him. Tell him, it's okay. You see anytime we're ready, make I just call him, make I just reach him. Say if I know if he get him, make I call him manager because sometimes saying if he drop him phone, forget. Tell him okay. Ever since then we kept, in touch. So when the song was ready, I called him. He said, okay. I just did on my own. I did one day. I had to call him, tell him, say I don't ready for the song. He said, okay. Say when he did and say, go tell me. Just did one day, he called me. Oh boy, how far? Where are you doing now? You know, saying I saw in the talk. Then I go village, I did village for Christmas holiday. I tell him, say, over there village. He say, they come back, me will record. I just drop everything what they do for village. Tell them.
What?
You don't be now.
Yes,
see you on the next day.
Hello, who they we like?
Hello, it's Faith. Good evening.
Ketito.
Yeah, Faith from Ikorodu. Faith.
Yo.
Faith, okay.
Okay. Hello, from Ikorodu. How are you?
Huh?
I'm fine. You're looking beautiful.
My dear, it's my talent.
And Ransom, when do you a song this year?
I did not hear you say.
When did you release the song?
As in the song you sang now, is it this year you produced the album?
Yes, it's this year. I released the song this year, yeah.
Okay, I love the video. Your swag is very okay there.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
That is all.
Yeah, thank you.
Faith, that is all. So as you don't find out now, the year when he released the song, what happened? Just a question. Thank you. Okay, in terms of shows, it is easy for now. I mean, you went on the industry and then people don't know you for the kind of songs where you sing. Your songs, they get message, no be every time shaking off, like sabi reduce and scalamabu, sometimes, to get shows they had.
Sometimes, so, they use you sometimes. Sometimes, we go just day, nothing. Sometimes,
but it's supposed to happen now. Everything cannot be nice. Everything is nice. It cannot be nice all the time.
Sometimes you go be like, you go ask yourself, where are these people day before now? Where are they since for the past 2 months? Where I done? Sometimes like three events go clash together. You go struggle. Sometimes you go they calculate. Okay. As a sharp Nigerian,
if I just finish, I can do 3 of them at once. Ooh.
I go try see whether I go fit cover the 3.
But sometimes. But that's so it's supposed to be. Yeah. Our last caller, David, don't come back. David.
Yes, Auntie.
Since you did that time, okay.
I want the network. Sorry.
Okay, sorry. Kuba, you are welcome back.
I'm here. Let me just talk to you. Yummy. Imagine all right. If I just quite sorry.
You got me ransom. Hey, I even good on me. I got me ransom.
No, not turn this place to a village.
Don't tire.
What do you say?
I said, make not turn this place to a village meeting. No.
That number is bad, Pele. They don't go live. All the Igbo brothers don't go house. They don't go village. When they do come back now, all of them go begin call. Don't worry, please talk to Ransom. Don't mind them.
Ransom, what's up?
I'm doing great, my guy.
I love your video.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Just pray for you to keep up.
Yeah, thank you.
Like that young guy said that you should not be pop-up. So the only thing I just want to encourage is that you should just be hope on God. And also believe that
Oh, I like you too. Thank you very much.
Hey. Now, community.
There's a here that I want to send something to you.
Hey, yeah.
Huh?
Then his baby girl wants to say
Oh
something.
my God.
Hello.
Hello.
I love Camila. It's so sweet. I love it.
Oh, my dear. Thank you very much.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Manu, bye-bye. Thank you. David, thank you. Greet your yard members or your community, everybody. Greet your local government. Everybody, all and all. Before Ransom will come on studio, you know, say, maybe the thing say we don't forget that video matter. So now shoot video from 12 in the afternoon to 12 in the night.
Yes.
So when you shoot finish, you can't go house. Those girls inside the video can't go house.
Yeah, now then go their houses. They won't follow me go my house.
I don't know now. It's not foreign now. It's just a question. You don't even say, okay, may we help you, drop you in the junction or something.
That's
No,
a nice
no,
guy.
no.
I say nice somebody.
Like the
gentleman.
song suggests, everything is strictly business. Then come, collect their money, do it in then do, go.
My brother,
Me, I do
you want
wetin
to
I
tell
do,
me that as you is, as a hot-blooded young somebody, you did not see the Lasabia Red and the
In
Scalama
front
bush.
of you.
You did not see, oh no, my brother, look us. You think say we have mark on our face, I think. We from village just come. It's okay.
No, seriously, it's strictly professional. Make us speak English.
We're not, hey. It's just common courtesy to say, oh, hello, it's okay, you go in the direction, you go into the junction, maybe I can just drop you. It's just simple. When I don't do work, finish now. It's soft work.
We come greet, come tell ourselves.
You don't collect contact in case next time you want to
Use
shoot
it for
video.
next time, you know.
No be my work na director work to gather them. No be me.
So you should say your manager no collect on your behalf.
I no fit talk for him because that one a bad guy. So I don't know. I don't
See
know.
am na? So a bad guy fit cover on too. At the same time, can be a bad guy company. You know, bad guy company. You don't know these things. Anyways, Ransom, thank you so much. Say you come show, but what will be your plans for between now and December? I know say, you know, next year people they get their different plans for their lives and all, but any you plan to drop any other song?
Yeah.
Before the end of the
Like that guy suggests. No be.
I said, not be one song 10 years.
I don't take your advice. Hook, line, and sinker. So
Ransom, don't worry, don't collect your advice. Ransom go enter back studio.
That is from myself now studio at the enter now.
Make you for do other work. Yeah. Ransom, ladies and gentlemen. Ogbonge, how they go get your music?
Yeah,
if they want download, they want buy
it. It's on iTunes. You can buy it on iTunes. It's on MTN Music Plus. It's on all the
music portals.
Portals, yeah, where you can get it. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, guys. Arrivederci. We're done. They come out inside studio. Ogbonge.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.